Welcome to another ILC Online class. Today we're going to talk a bit about prepositions, and particularly about the prepositions in, on and at. It's often a bit confusing with prepositions because they are used in different ways in different languages. So we are going to look at the preposition in first. And in is used with months. My birthday is in March. Or years. I came to India in 1999. And it's also used for parts of the day. I exercise in the morning. And also for seasons. I always feel so cold in the winter. We also use in when we talk about location and place. So I live in Pithoragarh, or he's in his village these days. And we use it for belief and interest. So I believe in God, and I'm interested in music. Okay, now over to on. And on is used for days. I'll come on Friday. Or dates. India's Independence Day is on the 15th of August. And then we use on for surfaces. So the poster is on the wall, or the cup is on the table. We use it with electronic devices. So she speaks on the phone all the time. And we don't say in the phone, but we use on the phone. And the same with the internet as well. I found this information on the internet, not in the internet. And then we use on with parts of the body. I wear a ring on my finger. Now to at. We use at with specific time. I'll meet you at 5 o'clock. We also use at with specific places. Let's meet at the stadium. And we also say at with weekend. So let's meet at the weekend. We also use at with activities. I'm good at singing, and he laughed at my drawing. So this was the ILC class for today. I hope that you now have got a better idea of when to use in, on, and at. Good luck with that.